Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to master smooth match and move transitions for eye-catching Canva projects? Click the Create button, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels for the dimensions. Once the custom canvas opens, navigate to the Elements tab. Here, you'll be able to add shapes, icons, or illustrations. To find a circular object in your image, start by opening the image in your preferred editing or analysis software. Next, locate the tool for shape detection or select the circle detection option, often found under Filters or Analysis Tools. Apply the circle detection filter, adjust the parameters as needed, and the software will highlight the circular object in the image automatically. Next, place the item in this area by dragging and dropping it directly where you want it to appear. Click on the Duplicate button to create an exact copy of your current project. Click the Duplicate button again to create another copy. To merge the circles, first, select both circles by clicking one, then hold Shift and click the other. Next, go to the top menu, choose Merge or Combine, and confirm the action. Once you've merged everything, duplicate the page. Next, select each circle individually and separate them one by one to prepare for further editing or adjustments as needed. Place this item in the designated area. Next, take the second item and position it here. Then, add the third item to this spot. Ensure each item is arranged exactly as shown on the screen. This step helps keep your layout organized and ensures everything is correctly placed for the next part. Next, apply the match and move effect to the page to continue the animation process. To slow down the match and move effect, increase its duration. First, select the effect in your timeline. Look for the duration setting, which is usually displayed in seconds or frames. Click on the duration field to activate it. Enter a higher value than the current setting. For example, if it's set to 2 seconds, try increasing it to 4 seconds. This change will make the match and move effect play back more slowly throughout your clip. After you've adjusted the duration, preview your changes to see the effect in real time. To do this, move the playhead to the start of the effect in the timeline. Press play or use the spacebar to watch the effect as it now appears. Observe how the slower duration creates a smoother, more gradual transition. Learn to smooth match and move transition in Canva? Hit like if it helped and subscribe for more creative Canva tricks.